Hey there, I want to talk a little bit about insurance coverage. This is the homeowner's insurance that you'll need to get in order to close on your loan. So the lender is going to have a minimum coverage requirement. That minimum coverage is going to be equal to the lesser of the loan amount, the cost to rebuild the property in the event of a significant peril. So it is important to note that if the loan amount is less than the cost to rebuild, and that's the coverage you get, then effectively what you're doing is you're protecting the lender from loss, but you won't have enough funds returned to you from the insurance company in order to rebuild a home. So you are not going to be fully covered. So it is important to note when you're shopping for homeowner insurance, you can get a lower cost premium from the insurance company, but it may not be enough to protect you in the event of something significant happening. Okay, just some tips for shopping for homeowners insurance. Shop around. Some insurance companies will give you a better rate on one property versus another property. So even if you have a relationship with an existing provider, please use some of the providers that I'm giving you in my email and just ask them for some help and say, I'm shopping around, I'm looking for some quotes. Try to understand the difference between a single entity agency and a broker. You could have a single label company that is only able to offer their own coverage versus a broker who might be able to offer and shop around on your behalf. Do experiment with deductibles. Ask what the difference is between a $1,000 and a $2,500 deductible, for example. And if you're comparing quotes from different providers, just make sure you're using the same terms, the same deductibles and liability coverage and so forth. Be sure to bundle your policies. Again, when comparing, if you're bundling on one policy but not bundling on another, you just may not be true to yourself in terms of a true like-to-like comparison. Consider the fact that some insurance providers will offer you early shopper discounts, so that's worth noting. And it's really important to note here also that there is no value in being overinsured. So make sure you speak with your agent and get the right amount of coverage for you. When you do decide on whom it is you're working with, the first thing I'm going to request is a homeowner's insurance quote. I'd like to get this in when I submit your loan into underwriting. When you are truly decided and you're going to move forward on the provider with the policy you've outlined, then you need to provide me with the evidence of insurance and also a replacement cost estimator. Both of these two items are going to be needed in order to get the loan through clear to close. When you are requesting that information, you will ask the insurance agent to add the address, effective date, the loss payee, and the loan number onto that evidence of insurance. And all of those items are outlined in the email in which you got this video. That's it for now. If you have any questions on insurance coverage, and so forth, I will help you as best as I can, but some of your questions might be best directed at your insurance agent. Thank you.